no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is number 19 of our 365-day daily devotionals. I have been doing these devotionals here recently. If you are wondering why I'm doing devotionals and not my DIYs, I will have those videos linked in the description box. That'll get you caught back up to date on my life. And then also, if you have missed any of the daily devotionals, I will have a list of those in the description box as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Okay, guys, so number 19. But before we get started, I wanted to show y'all something real quick. So this was sent to me in the mail. It's a little bookmark. How stinking sweet is that? It says blessed beyond measure, y'all. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. This is so stinking cute. I just love it. But I'm going to keep it in my devotional book. So if you sent this, thank you. Thank you so much, because I think it is so stinking cute. All right, number 19. Let's get started. Well, I lost my page because I took my bookmark out. Hang on. All right. Number 19. I'm going to show you all the verses. I like to give you the verses. That way, if you want to read along or maybe take a screenshot, and then you'll have those verses to kind of, go back and look at throughout the day if you'd like, or read a little more into it, in the Bible or whatever. But yeah, so there's the verses for today. All right. Seek my face, and you will find more than you ever dreamed possible. Let me displace worry at the center of your being. I am like a saturated cloud, showering peace into the pool of your mind. My nature is to bless. Your nature is to receive with thanksgiving. This is a true fit, designed before the foundation of the world. Glorify me by receiving my blessings gratefully. I am the goal of all your searching. When you seek me, you find me and are satisfied. When lesser goals capture your attention, I fade into the background of your life. I am still there watching and waiting, but you function as if you were alone. Actually, my light shines on every situation you will ever face. Live radiantly by expanding your focus to include me in all your moments. Let nothing dampen your search for me. Oh, that's so good. I love it where it says, my nature is to bless. Your nature is to receive with thanksgiving. So simple. God's nature is to bless us. We are his children, guys. That's all he wants to do is bless us. I know for my kids, I want the very best, and I will stop at nothing to make sure that they have what they need. And that is the way God loves us. The same way, unconditionally. He wants to bless us. We just have to look for him. You just have to seek him. Super simple. So simple. All right, let's do the verses before I start preaching. All right. When you said, seek my face, my heart said to you, your face, Lord, I will seek. Psalms 27:8. Before you know it, a sense of God's wholeness, everything coming together for good, will come and settle you down. It's wonderful what happens when Christ displaces worry at the center of your life. Philippians 4:7. Man, that's a good one. Boy, if that don't hit home for me. Before you know it, a sense of God's wholeness, everything coming together for good, will come and settle you down. Hello. Definitely that is my situation here. I had no other thing to do but trust the Lord. There was literally nothing else I could do but trust the Lord. And now look, we're building a house, for heaven's sakes. Like, what? Exactly what it says. If you seek his face, you will find more than you ever dreamed possible. And that is so, so true. Oh my goodness, it's so true. All right. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. Jeremiah 29:13. I think that's super important. You will seek me and find me. You will find me when you seek me with your whole heart. So you can't half-heartedly do it, okay? You got to go into it full force, whole heart. God, I'm giving it to you. Here it is. I don't want it anymore. You take care of it. Let it go. Let the Lord do his magic. Because I'm telling you right now, I am absolutely living proof that dreams do come true. And blessings will just be poured down upon you when you seek the Lord. I mean, I don't know any better way to say it than that. It's super simple. You just seek the Lord. Just look for him. Just say, God. If you don't know what to pray, just say, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. And I promise you, he will be there. Promise. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining with me today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.